Hello, and welcome to WebPros Meeting. This tutorial shows you how to use the host settings inside your meeting room to brand your room and shape the guest experience. As the host of your meeting room, you're in control of the experience that your guests have the moment they join the meeting. You can add your logo or any custom image to the home screen, add a welcome message, choose whether guests can see who else is in the room, and control attendance notifications. To get to host settings, click Home, then select Host Settings from the menu. One of the most important settings here is Display Guest List. When this is turned on, guests can see other people in the meeting. When it's turned off, your room feels more like a webinar. Guests won't be able to see one another, and they won't be able to open the attendees list. This is a great option when you want fewer distractions and more focus on the message you're sharing. You can also choose whether you want login and logout notifications to appear as people enter and leave the room. Another way to make your room feel polished and professional is by customizing your home screen. I'll close the host settings screen so you can see that. When your guests log in, you can welcome them with your logo and a personalized message. To add your logo or image, click Upload and select your file. For the best fit, use an image that is 800 pixels wide by 250 pixels high. A transparent PNG file usually works best across all screen sizes. You can use these controls to change the text size, text color, and the welcome message itself. So your room feels branded, intentional, and ready before your meeting even begins. Thank you for your interest in WebPros Meeting, and thanks for watching.